Windows 12 got the whole internet buzzing, but almost nobody is asking the right questions. Is it even real? What are those mysterious code names? Will your PC support it? Here's the truth behind the hype. Let's start with what caused all the hype. You've probably seen two words popping up everywhere: Hudson Valley and CorePC. Hudson Valley is a real Microsoft code name referenced in tech reports going back to 2023. And this is exactly what caused all the confusion. It was the code name for a Windows 11 version update. And that update is already out. Now, let's look at the other code name, CorePC. This concept is about a modular Windows architecture where different parts of the OS can be updated independently. Interesting idea, but it has never appeared in any publicly available version of Windows. So, is it a real concept? Yes. Is it confirmed for Windows 12? Absolutely not. If you thought this was all, it gets even more interesting. Will your PC support Windows 12? This is the one that caused the most panic. Most PCs made before 2023 will not get the full experience. Millions of perfectly good PCs would become incompatible, just like TPM 2.0 and Windows 11 mess. The rumor suggests that Windows 12 will require a dedicated NPU, neural processing unit, with at least 40 TOPS of computing power. TOPS stands for trillions of operations per second. It measures how fast a chip handles AI workloads. But they might still be able to run a basic version of Windows. What about the new PCs built in 2026 with a Snapdragon, Intel Core Ultra or AMD Ryzen chips? They will most certainly be fine. And the PCs built around 2021 to 2023? That's a gray zone. And don't even get me started with PCs that were built before 2018. Consider replacing them. But wait, don't go buy anything because of the rumors. Wait for the official specs. Next up, subscription-based Windows 12. Imagine if we had to pay a Windows subscription. The rumor suggests that Windows 12 would be a subscription-based OS, like Netflix, but for your operating system. I hear you say, hell no, I'm not paying no subscription. Well then, how about living with an ad-supported version or you lose different features? Just imagine Microsoft walking into a room announcing, Windows 12 costs $10 a month. The whole internet would set itself on fire. WindowsLatest.com investigated it. Their conclusion in March 2026 debunks this myth by confirming the company has clarified that information about a subscription-based AI operating system for 2026 is not accurate. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Windows 12 official? Alright, enough about what Microsoft hasn't confirmed. Here's what they are actually building. Microsoft has been quietly transforming Windows 11 into an AI-first platform. Copilot is now baked into core apps. This is a very deliberate architectural choice. Is Microsoft planning something big? Almost certainly. Are they calling it Windows 12? Not officially. What's the launch date for Windows 12? I'd say that the most optimistic estimate is around late 2026, based on Microsoft's old 3-year release cycle. The most realistic estimate, however, is around 2027, based on the 6-year gap between Windows 10 and Windows 11. TrustedReviews.com estimated in January 2026 that the Windows 12 release date is likely to be sometime in the second half of 2027. Watch this video next if you are looking for some of the best software for your PC.